Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell.
This is a big change. It's been sunny. Actually, like the sun has been out when I've been going to work for the last month or so. And this morning, it's dark as hell. Today is also the first day of school. Weirdly, August 1st. First day of August, and it is one, it's cold. It's been cooler the last couple days, meaning that it hasn't been 80 degrees in the morning. One morning, I think Monday morning, it was 82 degrees. Today's Friday, and it's first day of school. It's very weird. And it's 74 degrees, which 74 is still pretty nice. But I actually had to put a vest on this morning because yesterday morning it was like 78. And it was actually a little breezy coming to work. On this little girl anyway. So here we are. School started and all of a sudden temperature dropped 10 degrees. Which I guess I won't complain because it's been pretty smoky. It's been, by my dash, it's been 100 degrees every day for the last 2 weeks. By the weather forecast, it's been high of 98. Which I'm gonna throw straight to you. It's just like in the winter when you're in Chicago and they tell you it's only negative 20, but it feels like negative 50. Which one do you really need to know? You're going outside. How do you need to dress? How much water do you need to bring with you on this trip? Yeah, it's 90 degrees. It feels like 120. We should probably figure that 120 in a whole lot bigger than 90. 90 is pretty hot too. But if you know it's going to feel like 120 when you go outside, you may end up staying home and watching cartoons all day. That's just something really important to do. But I digress. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so tonight I'm going to start working on how-to videos, and by far these are not going to be this is the perfect way to do it type videos. I'm going to show you what I do, different methods of doing things I do, how I put in music, how I edit, how I subtitle, that kind of stuff. And if it works for you, cool. But the material I'm going to be using is for a Winx Wheels product they sent me that they decided not to put to market. So I've sat on this footage for 6-7 months. And I decided to go ahead and put out my own hashtag commercial. Since they're not going to make it anyway, I don't see a problem. And if I put the video out and people like the product, maybe they'll bring it back to market. I don't know. Plus side is I can do a truth in advertising commercial. Can I show you what I really think about it? Nah, the footage is already cut. I'm just going to use it, show you how I cut pieces out, how I mold and edit and such. But first, I got to go to work, finish this whole day out. We'll see how it goes, and I'll talk to you guys later. So, something is telling me that I should, I'll probably be making another video here soon. Alright, yeah, so video is coming on the commercial that was never meant to be, but I'm gonna make it be. Let's talk about something else though. Forgotten Angels is coming up, and I am making it this year. I did not make it last October because of the hurricane. Did not make it this March because of a incredulous job shift. So got a better job now. I say a lot because who I am. But yeah, so this year I'm making it. Didn't get into a lot of discussions about the camp out because I kind of felt guilty that I didn't go. But I am definitely going this year. Obviously, though, I'm going to Little Sturgis first because that's going to happen. I've kind of adopted Little Sturgis as my official meet and greet. So I'll go to that first in August. So August and September, there's a whole lot of stuff going on at Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson. So I'll be doing a lot of stuff there, a lot of charity stuff. It's summer. Good time to do, summer stuff, like ride on motorcycles. It's an awful lot cooler this week. Hopefully there was something going on tomorrow. They are having their used bike days tomorrow, used bike special event, trying to get rid of some of them used bikes. They've taken a lot of trade-ins because Harley, I guess we're not going to run the light today. Harley takes a lot of trade-ins because that's how they get you off of some other body's bike and onto their bike. So that's how things roll. They sell well there. Obviously, they want you to get off somebody on a Harley, but if you go in there and you're not looking for a Harley and you want to buy another bike, they'll definitely sell one to you. So that'll be tomorrow, used bike days, used bike special event. I can't remember what they're calling it. I feel like a bad YouTuber, didn't keep up. So anyway, it looks like it's about to bust loose. I might be able to make it home before it starts raining, but I probably doubt it. So I'll pick this up tomorrow. I ain't gonna make too big of a fuss about it, but there ain't no Harleys parked outside the Harley shop. Just saying. Alright guys, so what you're about to see is one of the Winx commercials that I never got to actually finish making. It's kind of funny. It's fun to make these commercials. It's a good way to check editing, because when you edit this stuff, there's a lot of mistakes in it. You laugh about it, but in the end it's fun. Anybody that's out wanting to make videos, wanting to get into making commercials, I would recommend you take anything at all. Follow this format that I will make another video on how to actually go through the steps, how to figure out what you want to put in a commercial or any video, and follow it to fruition. But just for now, since I didn't get to make this commercial, I had all this footage laying around. I wanted to go ahead and just get it all together, make a video. Why not? Because they didn't have anything else going on. I didn't get to go to Harley this weekend, so here's your commercial. You're welcome. And if you laugh at it, I encourage you to laugh at it until the end, because it was making fun. I encourage you to laugh at it because it was fun to make, even though when you do a commercial for another company, you slightly embellish a little bit, I guess you could say. So the product was a good product, but some of the things they explain about it, and you'll see in the commercials that I make, took some creative freedom. Either way, I will be giving this hoodie away, not on this video, but on my Friday Night Live. But here's what you got to do. You have to name 4 things that I have advertised for another company, and you can't include Indy Ridge because pretty much I'm a walking advertisement for Indy Ridge anytime I leave the house on the motorcycle. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and don't forget I have a Patreon. Alright, so let's watch this weird creation that I did, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Check it out. And also, let me know in the comments if you're going to be going to Forgotten Ninjas this year. I have missed the last 2 campouts because of 1 for weather and 2 for job changes that kind of were beyond my control. But I will be at the next October campout. So make sure you look for me, ask me for a sticker if you haven't already got one. I may or may not have t-shirts by then. I'm still working on that. But let me know if you're going to be at the campout and what day you're going to get there, and I will try my best to meet up with you while we're there. I feel so dumb right now. If you don't have this hoodie, you're missing out. I used to ride in regular hoodies, thinking they were fine, but the wind started cutting through and the debris started stinging. I realized I needed real riding gear. Meet the Winx Urban Commando Defender hoodie, designed for riders who need style, comfort, and protection, all in one hoodie. Whether you're on or off the road, this hoodie has it all. Let's check it out. This isn't just any hoodie. It's lined with DuPont Kevlar lining with CE2 armor for the elbows, shoulders, and back. With its flexible fit, strategic ventilation zones, and all-weather design, this hoodie keeps you comfortable no matter where the road takes you. Just insert the armor, pull it on, and you're ready to go. The urban camo design adds extra visibility, so you're easier to see when you're out on the highway. It looks good on the bike or off. I've been wearing this hoodie for months, and it's my go-to for every ride. It has a modern camo design, full protection, and it's designed for everyday riding. Plus, it seamlessly transitions from bike to everyday wear. It's honestly the best hoodie I've ever owned. Don't risk your safety. Try the Winx Urban Defender Camo Hoodie for half off with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Plus, if it's ever damaged in an accident, Winx will replace the hoodie at no cost to you. Just send the picture of the damaged product in the accident, and Winx will send you, at no cost, a brand new hoodie. What have you got to lose? Listen, if you're on the fence, jump off and hit that link below. You've got nothing to lose. There's a money-back guarantee. Here's why 100,000 riders have already bought this hoodie. Riding in a regular hoodie is like playing with fire. No protection, no durability, and zero confidence riding on the road. This is the Winx Urban Commando Defender hoodie. It's designed for riders who want a stylish, comfortable ride with protection. This hoodie's got you covered, no matter where you're going. This hoodie was made for superior abrasion resistance. It has DuPont Kevlar lining and CE Level 2 armor in all high impact zones. Plus, it's got reinforced stitching in all critical points. It's comparable to leather, but it's got the flexibility and comfort of a hoodie. It takes just a few seconds to insert the armor, then just throw it on, adjust the fit, and you're ready to go. And this thing is built tough. After weeks of riding, it still looks brand new. No rips, no tears, just honest protection. The orange camo design makes me feel safer on night rides because I know I'm visible on the road. I am really impressed with this hoodie. The time is now. Click the link below and get the Winx Urban Defender hoodie for 50% off with a 90-day money-back guarantee. And if it's ever damaged, we'll replace it at no cost. With Winx Wheels, your safety always comes first. Winx Wheels has a buy two, get one free sale going on right now. So what are you waiting for? Shop today. Here are the 3 key problems solved: safety, weather, and style, all in this hoodie. I can't believe I didn't find this hoodie sooner. After one rough slide, my hoodie was shredded, and so was my skin. That's when I realized I needed gear as tough as the ride. Introducing the Winx Urban Commando Defender hoodie. It's for riders who want the perfect combination of style, comfort, and protection. It's the hoodie that works just as hard as you do. This hoodie combines a high visibility urban camo design with maximum protection featuring CE Level 2 armor and DuPont Kevlar lining. And its moisture wicking technology and ventilation zones keep you cool or warm, making it perfect all-weather comfort. Simply remove the armor when you're done riding and you're still ready for everyday wear. This hoodie looks good on and off the bike. The urban camo design keeps you looking sharp and visible, even when you're off the bike. Honestly, I've never seen a hoodie like this. The comfort is next level, the material moves with me, and the stretch is perfect for riding. Right now, you can get the Urban Camo Defender hoodie at 50% off with a 90-day money-back guarantee. And you can ride with confidence. If it's ever damaged in an accident, Winx Wheels will replace it for absolutely nothing. Simply send them a picture of the accident and the damaged gear, and we will replace your Winx Urban Camo Defender hoodie absolutely free. You've got nothing to lose. Winx Wheels is having a buy two, get one free sale going on right now. Perfect for weekend getaways. So click that shop now button and get your pair today. I feel so dumb right now. If you don't have this hoodie, I can't believe I didn't find this hoodie sooner. It's designed for riders who want a stylish, comfortable ride. This is the Winx Urban Commando Defender hoodie. It's designed for riders who want a stylish, comfortable ride with protection. Go without a hat. And this isn't just blah blah. This isn't just any hoodie. It's lined with DuPont Kevlar. I did it again. This hoodie was made so. This hoodie was. 1, 2, 3. This hoodie was made for superior abrasion resistance. It's comparable to leather, but with the added flexibility of a hoodie. The Urban Camo designs adds extra durability. No, that's not right. The Urban Camo design adds extra visibility. Why are my words not coming out right? The Urban Camo design adds extra visibility. The material moves with me when I'm riding. Fuck me. Okay. Honestly, I'd never seen a hoodie like this.
Do it again. Do it again.
I got that right.
Yeah, it started late.
See what it looks like.
Looks good other than being sideways.
This is your tilt. One of these, this one. Here's your tilt. Don't risk your safety. Try the Winx Urban Camo Defender hoodie at 50% off. Don't risk your safety. Try the Winx Urban Defendo Camera hoodie. Don't risk your safety. Just send us a picture of the damaged hoodie and explain our accident. Winx Wheels has a buy two, get one free sale. Next. You threw me off. Maybe I should go help him out. Are you riding in these? Then you're making a mistake. Now that's a comfortable ride.